Hi there. I'm going to show you how to make a seat in a back carry in a woven wrap. And I'm going to show you using my demo doll, which is quite small, to show you that it can be done with a small baby. Alright, first get your baby on your back, however you like. I'm going to use a Superman tucks. And once you got baby up there, pin the top rail. So I'm going to pull top rails to front. I'm going to pin it under my chin. Some people prefer using their teeth. If you're going to use your chin, I find it convenient to do a bit of a twist before I pin. Alright, I'm going to twist and pin. And the next step is super important. You need to stand up straight. Now I'm already standing up straight, but if you were not, if you're bending over, pin it and stand up. If you don't feel secure standing up, put an arm under baby's legs and stand up, and then try letting go just to see that it's secure. So, see, the baby is not going anywhere. The top rail has secured them. Okay. So, standing up straight, the next step I'm going to do is pull all the width of the wrap down so we have enough width to make a seat so that there isn't much bunching on top. Yeah. And once you've pulled all the width down, I'm going to gather up the wrap at the bottom so that we don't have too much width. And we're going to gather it up a little bit past baby's knees. And again, it's important to do this standing up straight because otherwise you won't be able to reach high enough with a small baby. Alright, now I have the wrap gathered up a little bit past the knees, and I'm going to make a scooping motion to scoop up baby's knees and position them in a seated position. To do that, I first reach under the legs. There you go. And I kind of make sure I'm standing up very straight, and I kind of wiggle and get my I hook my fingers in there and wiggle the wrap a little. And I stand up again to let baby sink into the seat of it. Okay, now I'm going to bend over a little bit. I'm going to take one arm and put it over baby's legs and hold on to baby's opposite knee with that arm. And then I'm going to gently take the bottom rail and pull it over my shoulder. Now the idea here is that your arm is keeping baby in a seated position. And when you pull the bottom rail up, it also helps keep them in a seated position. Now we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. I'm going to take the opposite arm, place it over the legs, holding baby's knee, and then I'm going to pull this bottom rail up over my shoulder. And I'm again going to stand up. Alright? And at this point I find it helpful to actually tighten the bottom rail some more, because often I will leave a bit of slack. And there we go. Baby is in a nice, secure seat.